So carrying on the side effects, there are many side effects to steroids, which can be irreversible if they're used for a long period of time, and it'll be harder to remove them, or simply can't be. So high blood pressure can occur when using steroids. Due to the increase of muscle mass, more oxygen will be needed to supply to sustain a large amount of muscles to keep working. There can be severe acne and breakouts of it, severe joint pains. This could be down to having less flexibility in the joints because increasing muscle mass and replacing it with testosterone. For both male and female, psychological effects can be aggression, paranoia, and hallucinations. For physical risks, females, their menstrual cycles can become irregular and reduce breast size and develop male-like features, such as a deeper voice and facial hair. For males, there's a reduce in sperm count, shrinking of the testicles. It can be used in 100-meter sprints and other events which include power and speed. Due to having an increase in muscle mass, the athletes will have more strength and benefit. A benefit of using steroid is faster recovery of the muscles. Therefore, after a sprinting event, the muscles will have less fatigue and less lactic acid buildup. Also, bodybuilders take anabolic steroids to help them have a bigger muscle bulk because this is the way they need to look. The positive of using the steroids is to help an athlete gain more muscle mass, allowing them to have more strength. Therefore, in the sports like 100-meter, it will benefit them with the strength they have combined it with their training. So their explosive power will give them advantage to come out the blocks faster. The negatives of using this performance enhancement is one of the side effects can be aggressiveness. If they're in the wrong sports like weightlifting or American football, if they become angry, the athlete can act out on it and throw a punch or push someone. This could disqualify them and losing any chance of performing. Negative on health is probably the more severe side effects, such as decreasing sperm production. This can cause the males less likely to have children in the future, and children of their own. One of the many reasons why people take this drug is to help themselves look more muscular. Therefore, taking the drug will help them achieve this and make them feel better about themselves. So this could be seen as a positive.
Then being prescribed as low. Therefore, the potential side effects include headaches, dizziness, muscle cramps, skin rashes, and diarrhea, all of which are bad in relation to these will be different. These using methods are athletes to get especially improve. The next is helping to maintain.
Moving on to the beta blockers. So this has helped to decrease arousal and anxiety, which will then decrease heart rate and breathing rate. This is why they are used to be a relaxant. The use of beta blockers will help block out the effect of adrenaline, which will allow the athlete to become more active, so therefore decreasing this. There is a few different beta blockers, such as there's a few different ones. So one stops the nerve impulses inside the body, especially the heart, and this will cause the heart to decrease blood pressure. The other one is prescribed to treat high blood pressure, and it's one of the main beta blockers, and it lasts throughout the day. And the last one is to decrease the heart rate, and the beta blockers has a benefit that doesn't cause many nervous system side effects. So the side effects of using the beta blockers can range from which one you use. So, for example, there's shortness of breath and irregular heartbeats. One of the common side effects of using beta blockers is dizziness. This is most likely because of the slowing of the heart rate. There will be a lack of oxygen circulating the body, causing lack of nutrients going to the working muscles and organs. If the brain lacks oxygen going to it, this could cause dizziness and further effects such as strokes. So the sports it can be used in are normally sports that need low level arousal, such as archery or golf. These sports need concentration and accuracy, therefore if they were to have a high heart rate, this will cause a decrease in focus and they won't be able to relax due to the adrenaline rush, which has normally caused the heart rate to increase. The beta blockers are relaxant, therefore it will help the athlete to remain in a relaxed, focused state of mind, which will help them perform efficiently in the sports which it needs to. The positives of using this drug on performance will aid the sports that need to perform with focus and calmness. If an athlete were to get aroused or stressed, this could cause a problem on their performance. Therefore, taking this drug will cause them to become calm and relaxed, which will allow them to get in the right mindset because they will reduce the amount of adrenaline going through their body. The negative of this drug is cause the heart to slow down, therefore less blood will be transported around the body, making the muscles and organs have a lack of oxygen to work with, causing them to weaken and become more fatigued. Thank you for listening.